Hey, welcome to Unit 2, Illustrators. Just a little introduction for this week, covering what we're going to be um, learning about. Transforming and editing artwork and working with color and strokes. Some of the objectives are working with groups of content, aligning the content, cutting and erasing artwork, changing the color, creating color swatches, adding dash lines and arrows for those outlines and strokes, creating color gradients, and recoloring artwork. You may notice that Illustrator at this point in time, if you already know InDesign, is much more sensitive with regard to bounding boxes, what you're clicking on and clicking off of. And you kind of have to be very conscious of the difference of what you're clicking on, where you're clicking to select an object, and how you're moving around that object. So hopefully you're already establishing a little bit of a workflow in this software program. If you're struggling, please connect with me so that I can meet with you during my office hours. First thing you want to do is open up the Unit 2 instructions, understand that there are files provided to complete the unit exercises, and those are underneath Complete for Unit 2. Unit 2 exercise files are here, Transform and Edit, which goes with the Transform and Edit video. The video will walk you through the exercises and what you're supposed to do for that. Same with color. So use these for the color video, color basics, color, and then submit those to Unit 2 exercise. This week we're going to begin our first project, which is the logo design. I do not expect exemplary logos at this level. Some of you may be more ready than others to create a really stellar logo. I want you to be exploring with shape and content and stroke at this point in time. So look at some of the videos I provided for support. The resources are how to design a logo and logo design tips. And then these two sites, Vecteezy and FreePic, are great for vector graphics that you can bring in and use as symbols for your logo. I really want you to focus on using simplified symbols as the graphic content for your logos. Some of which you'll understand in the unit exercises how to work with shapes a little bit easier. But then also you're going to submit your first logo design ideas to the forum this week. Then you'll submit a draft next week, and then the final logo will be due the following week. If you have questions, let me know. I will also provide some ideas in the following units. This is just an introductory idea for the project. The project essentially will be worth 100 points. And the focus is the 2018 Rose Run or the YMCA Turkey Trot. Exciting community projects that could gain you some really great exposure and help your portfolio. So here are some links for you to kind of get an idea of these events. And again, this week it's only the ideas for these logos that you're going to be posting and responding to your peers. If you have questions, let me know. Have a happy and productive Unit 2. See you in next week's video.